Hi! In this video you will learn how to utilize the Inherit Code tool in Leica Icon Site Field software. Using the Inherit Code tool within the Stakeout application, users can automatically transfer codes and attributes from the design data to the actual stakeout point. This is a significant improvement compared to the previous manual process, enhancing workflow efficiency. Furthermore, it reduces time spent, eliminates mistakes, and consequently decreases data post-processing tasks. We start on the home screen and tap on Stakeout. From the map, we select Point 1. The info panel shows that this point was stored with the code manhole and the attribute diameter with the value 0.8. Currently, no values are set for the to-be-stored stakeout point. We tap on Code in the measure bar. In the list, the option Inherit Code is available. This option is only available in the Stakeout application. We tap on Inherit Code. Now, in the info panel, the fields for the to-be-stored point are automatically filled out. The attribute value displays the same information as the selected point. The code is set to Inherit Code to indicate this option is used. We move towards the point and store it. In the point preview, which we enabled previously, we are able to see the inherited information. If necessary, we could edit the values for this point. In this exercise, we will keep the inherited information and tap on OK. The point is then stored. Thanks for watching.